Hi traders, once again welcome to my channel. Today's topic will be the very interesting topic, and the truth most of the option traders and FNO traders won't like this video to be heard the bitter truth about FNO trading. We will learn about why beginners should avoid FNO trading, and let's learn what are the reasons behind that. Option trading. Let's understand the option trading. It is a derivative. Derivatives means somewhat like the instrument which the value is derived from the underlying assets such as stocks and indices. Now, why we should avoid doing FNO trading, especially option trading? And here are some reasons for avoiding such things, because they are very complex in nature. They involve predicting the future price movements of asset, which can be challenging even for a seasoned investor. For experienced person also, it will be very difficult to predict the momentum and market directions. Forget about the beginners. So beginners should really avoid doing FNO at the beginning of your trading career. FNO involves high risk and high reward myth. It's just a myth. As you have seen over the YouTube and other social media, in training also, that many people encourage you to do option trading and future trading because they wanted to sell their courses and they wanted to get your attention. But we should avoid option trading because it is a highly risky game, somewhat like gambling, especially for the beginners in the stock market. The volatility in the derivatives markets can lead to rapid and unpredictable price swings, making it easy for beginners to lose more than they can afford. And I will share the data at the beginning of, at the end of this session released by the CB in 2023 January. So it's just a myth where people promise that where there is a high risk, there will be high reward, but it is not true. It is highly risky. Out of 100, you will lose 90%, and 10% you will gain the profit, which is very risky. And another reason why we should avoid doing FNO trading is we will have a limited understanding, especially for the person who are new in the market. Successful trading requires a deep understanding of market dynamics, and derivatives involve sophisticated strategies. Without a solid grasp of market, beginners are more likely to make costly mistakes because they don't have any knowledge about the price action, chart pattern, indicators, how to utilize them in a proper way, which market should they use the indicators, which market it will be trending or sideways. It is very difficult to predict that way. And most probably the big players like operator, we call it institutional players like banks, insurance, FIA, DIA, professional traders, what they do is they usually trap the retail traders in the market. And most of the time, the market goes the opposite to the retail traders' direction. And the other reason is that it involves emotional roller coaster, especially for the beginners in the stock market. Many traders, they don't have any psychological or emotional strength to be in the market. The stakes are high, and it is easy to let fear and greed dictate your decision. And you will having when the profit, you are making a profit, you will have a fear that you will lose, so you cut it. And if you are making a loss, then what you do is you share it. You find a greed that market will turn up, but ultimately you will be losing out all your capital, blowing up all your capital in the FNO market. Emotional trading often leads to impulsive action which can result in the significant financial loss. We call it FOMO, greed. It happens in the market. It has happened same to me at the beginning. So especially those who are at the beginning of their career in the stock market, you should avoid doing FNO until and unless you have become or you have developed a strong emotional or psychological mindset with discipline and develop skills in the technical analysis. So those are the reason why we should avoid doing in FNO trading in the market, especially for the beginners. Now, what are the other alternatives strategies for the beginners? So focus on building a strong foundation in traditional stock market investment before considering derivatives. Explore the other strategies such as long-term investing, diversification, and risk management. What you do for the beginner in the stock market is what you can do is you can learn, educate yourself, develop skills. This is number one. Then what you have to do is you have to practice those technical analysis and fundamental analysis by doing swing trading, delivery trading, and investing in the stock market or any other trading platform. As you know that as per the SEBI data, Security Exchange of Board of India, they have released a data on 25th January 2023 for the first time on the increase in market participation. Total number of unique individual traders who traded through sample of top 10 brokers, 3 in equity FNO segment was 45 lakhs during the financial year 2022 from 7.1 lakhs during the financial year 19, which is almost 500% increase from 2019 to 2022, which means that in 2019 there were only 7.1 lakhs traders in the FNO segment, but it has increased over 500 times in the financial year 2022. So it is a huge increase because we feel that many social media YouTubers and other social media influences over the people that that you can make a huge money through the FNO trading, but it is basically not true that many people lose in the market. As for CB data, success rate is in FNO trading is only 10%. And out of that 10%, only 1% make a good amount of profit. Remaining 9% make only little profit, but 90% traders, they lose money. So who are those 9% and 1%? 1% basically it involves a huge financial institutions like FI, DIA, and professional traders. Remaining 9% who make little profit are mainly professional retail traders, and 90% of them are mostly the retail traders who make loss in the market. So what are the average amount lost in the market? As for DCV data, it shows that average trader net loss is around 50,000. So which means from 45 lakhs people, only like almost 40 lakhs they lose, around 35 to 40 lakhs they lose per individual. They lose at average of 50,000 per individual. So it is a very huge. And where does this money goes? It goes to the institutional FI, DIA, professional traders. So this data shows that FNO is very risky, especially for the beginners. Now, what you suggest is, I don't mean that you should not trade in the FNO in your lifetime, but for the beginner, first you have to do is you have to learn, then you have to develop your skills, then you have to do practice. For 1 to 2 years, you give the time for the market, do back testing, and practice it. Even though you can use the paper trading or virtual trading also in order to practice your strategy and to improve your skills and accuracy of your strategies. And after getting a very good practice and improving your accuracy, then you can do the FNO trading. As you know, it is true that if you have very good skills and strategies, successful strategies, you can make a very good amount of money from the FNO trading also. So thank you so much for your time and attention for this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell button for the future notification of videos. I will be making a good and knowledgeable video on trading strategies and some important information from the stock market to you all. Thank you so much. And if you find the video very valuable, please do like and share with your friends and make aware of that. Thank you so much and good.